You get all this for only $5? The $5 Your Way meal, only at Burger King.
Getting tired of holiday parties with relatives? Get out of the house.
A civil authority has issued a law enforcement warning for the following counties or areas: Calvert, Charles, Frederick, Montgomery, Prince George's, Anne Arundel, Baltimore, Baltimore City, Maryland, at 3:12 am on Sep 4th, 2022, effective until further notice. Message from IPOSCAP. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Maryland Department of Public Health. Multiple 911 calls that occurred and brand call sauce made by Walgreens Inc. are causing people to vomit, get nosebleeds and eye discomfort. Many said it had to be rat poison in the cream of the cookie, but we don't know at this time. But for your caution, do not eat any cookies made by Walgreens Inc. Please stay tuned to local media outlets for more information.